Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong Bybit tutorial, specifically kung paano ka gumawa ng iyong account. Kaya of course, unang-una po nating pag-uusapan ay ang account registration, the complete verification process ng iyong account na nagawa, mga basic navigation with our personal account area, and more importantly, the security section, kung saan makikita natin kung paano i-fully secure ang ating account. So kung naghahanap ka ng practical guide paano makapag-complete register with Bybit, let's proceed! And to start the registration process, may inilagay po akong link sa description ng video natin, gaya po nito. Then you can simply click it at dito ka i-route directly sa sign up page na makikita natin sa screen ngayon. Now if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil ang kabuuang proseso ay pareho lang as we use desktop. The best part kung mag-sign up ka today with the referral link na inilagay ko ay pwede ka magkaroon ng sign up bonus na $50. Maaari ka rin magkaroon ng discount on trading fees and more welcome rewards. In terms sa pag-register ay pwede po nating gamitin ang ating Telegram account, Apple ID, Google account, pwede rin ang mobile number at ang gagamitin natin with this tutorial ngayon ay isang sample email. So input lang po natin and then let's create our desired password. Check lang po natin itong terms and conditions and then get my welcome gifts button. And this time, nag-send ngayon ang Bybit ng verification code sa email na ginamit natin. So, ito po siya. Copy lang natin and then paste. And as simple as that, meron na po tayong bagong account with Bybit Exchange. At kung makikita natin dito, merong nakalagay na enjoy your $50 welcome rewards. And in order to enjoy the products and services ng Bybit, ay kailangan muna nating mag-fully verify ng ating account or itong tinatawag na KYC process. And to do that, pwede nating i-click ito or itong Get Verified Now button dito. So on this part, makikita natin naka-default ang country of residence, the Philippines. Confirm lang natin. And first step sa pag-verify ay itong pag-submit ng proof of identity. So click lang po natin ang verify button dito. At ito yung mga identification document dito sa atin sa Pilipinas na pwede nating gamitin. Like any government issued identification card, meron ding passport, merong driver's license, and residence permit or itong barangay clearance. So ako ang pinili ko is driver's license. And all you need to do is continue lang the whole process and as long as tama lang naman po yung document at ang clarity ng pag-submit ay napakabilis lang po ng approval. Pagkatapos ma-approve ang ating identity verification ay magpo-proceed tayo with identity assessment or itong proof of address document submission. At dahil meron na po akong fully verified account with Bybit, hanggang dito na lang po muna ang tutorial natin with this topic. At ang good news, the moment ituloy-tuloy mo ito ay napakabilis lang po ng overall process. Okay? And in case na magkaroon kayo ng some technical errors, pwede niyo pong kontakin mismo ang support ng Bybit by clicking this support button dito. And you can start asking questions with your verification concerns. So, ito na po yung verified account ko with Bybit. Basically, napaka-user-friendly po ng platform na to. And in terms of simplicity, na pag-navigate ng mga tabs na gusto natin i-explore, ay napakadali lang po nating malocate. We have here the Web3, the buy crypto options, markets, etong trade, different tools, finance, and more with their products and services. At sa bandang left side, nandito ang overview with our account, the account details. And if you want to explore more information about rewards, click mo lang itong rewards hub. Meron ding referral program, your settings, preferences. Pwede ka rin magkaroon ng sub-account actually. And nandito rin ang IPI, fee rebates, and audit. And of course, meron ding mobile app. ang Bybit at pwede mo itong i-download dito by just scanning this QR code with your mobile phone. And for the final part with our discussion today, at ito yung pinaka wag na wag mong kalimutan the moment nais mong seryosohin ang iyong Bybit account, ang pag-set up ng security. This is very necessary mga kaibigan in order to protect your assets, lalong-lalo na sa mga hackers. Ako personally, after this video tutorial, isi-set up ko na to lahat. So we have here the Google Two-Factor Authentication. In terms naman sa advanced protection, we have the passkeys, fund password, anti-phishing code, and also the withdrawal security. Meron itong withdrawal address whitelist, withdraw via address book, and you can also manage your crypto withdrawal limits. Usually, pag hindi po ito naset ng maayos or hindi mo binigyan ng seryosong attention, magiging prone ang account mo sa hacking or lalong-lalo na sa phishing. So para magiging secure ang assets natin dito, wag na wag po natin itong kalimutan. So that's all lang po muna for this video mga kaibigan. I hope ang content natin today ay nakatulong sa iyo with regards to Bybit account registration. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and good luck with your crypto journey.